Have you read the Bible today? If no, let's read the Bible together. We are reading Matthew 1 from verse 1. The book of the generation of Jesus Christ, the son of David, the son of Abraham. Abraham begat Isaac, and Isaac begat Jacob, and Jacob begat Judah and his brethren. And Judah begat Phares and Zerah of Tamar. And Phares begat Esrom, and Esrom begat Aram. And Aram begat Amiradab, and Amiradab begat Nason. And Nason begat Salmon, and Salmon begat Boaz, Boaz of Rashab. And Boaz begat Obed of Ruth, and Obed begat Jesse. And Jesse begat David the king, and David the king begat Solomon of her that had been the wife of Uriah. And Solomon begat Rehoboam, and Rehoboam begat Abia, and Abia begat Asa, and Asa begat Josaphat, and Josaphat begat Joram, and Joram begat Uzziah. Uzziah begat Johatam, and Johatam begat Ashaz. Ashaz begat Ezekias. Ezekiah begat Manasseh. Manasseh begat Ammon. Ammon begat Josias. And Josias begat Jeshonias and his brethren, about the time they were carried away to Babylon. And after they were brought to Babylon, Jeshoniah begat Salatiel. And Salatiel begat Zorobabel. And Zorobabel begat Abiud. Abiud begat Eliakim. And Eliakim begat Azor. And Azor begat Sadok. And Sadok begat Ashim. Ashim begat Eliud. And Eliud begat Eleazar. Eleazar begat Matan. Matan begat Jacob. And Jacob begat Joseph, the husband of Mary, of whom was born Jesus, who is called Christ. So all the generations from Abraham to David are 14 generations. And from David until the carry away into Babylon are 14 generations. And from the carry away into Babylon unto Christ are 14 generations. I know it might be difficult for you to read the Bible, so we'll be reading the Bible together every morning. You can read this again and again, meditate on it, and I know it will be helpful to you. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. As-tu le temps aujourd'hui de lire la Bible? Sinon, lisons la Bible ensemble. Prenons le livre de Matthieu 1 à partir du verset 1. Généalogie de Jésus-Christ, fils de David, fils d'Abraham. Abraham engendra Isaac, Isaac engendra Jacob, Jacob engendra Judas et ses frères. Judas engendra Tamar, Phares et Zara. Phares engendra Esrom, Esrom engendra Aram. Aram engendra Aminadab. Aminadab engendra Mason, Mason engendra Salmon. Salmon engendra Boaz de Rahab. Boaz engendra Obed de Ruth. Obed engendra Isaïe, Isaïe engendra David. Le roi David engendra Salomon de la femme d'Uri. Salomon engendra Rehoboam. Rehoboam engendra Abia, Abia Asa. Asa engendra Josaphat, Josaphat engendra Joram, Joram engendra Ozias, Ozias engendra Joatam, Joatam engendra Achaz. Achaz engendra Ézéchias, Ézéchias engendra Manassé, Manassé Amon, Amon engendra Josias, Josias engendra Jéchonia et ses frères, au temps de la déportation à Babylone. Après la déportation à Babylone, Jéchonia engendra Salatiel, Salatiel engendra Zorobabel, Zorobabel engendra Abiud, Abiud engendra Eliakim, Eliakim engendra Azor, Azor engendra Sadok, Sadok engendra Ashim, et Ashim engendra Eliud. Eliud engendra Eleazar, Eleazar engendra Matan, Matan engendra Jacob, Jacob engendra Joseph, l'époux de Marie, de laquelle est né Jésus, qui est appelé le Christ. Il y a donc en tout 14 générations depuis Abraham jusqu'à David, 14 générations depuis David jusqu'à la déportation à Babylone et 14 générations depuis la déportation à Babylone jusqu'au Christ. Si tu n'as pas eu le temps de lire la Bible, alors nous allons le lire ensemble dorénavant chaque matin. Et je pense que Dieu va nous bénir. Alors prends le temps dans la journée de relire ceci ou de réécouter cette vidéo et de lire au même moment et de méditer sur ce que tu as lu. Que Dieu te bénisse.